Welcome to the driveway. We're going to try to do a hand drill fire here for your viewing pleasure. Now this is a pampas grass hand drill, and this is I think this is horseweed. So we're gonna see if we can get one going here. Warm the board up a little bit. Some smoke. We might have an ember. Oh yeah. Good ember. Oh, if I don't lose it. Hope you can see that. I don't want to lose it. You can see the ember there. Got some fluff wrapped up in some pine needles and a sycamore leaf here. There we go. To burn through my leaf. There we go, we got some fire. All right. There's hand drill. If you've been following my blog or my YouTube videos, you'll probably see a pattern. I'm trying to work through at least 7 ways to fire by the summer. And so far I guess I'm about halfway through. I can do the Rudiger, the bow drill, lens, and now the hand drill, and it's been a lot of fun. I encourage anybody to try to learn these skills. It's a very empowering thing to know that you can start a fire on more and more limited resources, be able to just walk into the woods at some point and do this is my ultimate goal. So thank you for watching and being with me through this process. Have a great day.